Come on, man. You got to really turn it down. I can't even hear the class. We're about to start, okay? Come on now. Come on now. What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here. We're going to be doing something slightly different. It's going to be called Riding Smart with DanDanTheFireman. What we're going to be doing is showcasing 10 motorcycle close calls and crashes. And the goal is that you pick the top 3, and I will do an actual AAR, okay? An after action review where I actually talk about it like I typically do. But I want you guys to be in charge of that, and I want you guys to see these crashes without too much of me talking, all right? With that said, let's go ahead and jump in it and watch. Come on, crew, you got to keep it down. We got a class going. Everybody else is in there. We have to be paying attention. We're learning, continuing education, all that stuff. But if you want to be a part of the best damn online motorcycle community in the world, all it is $2 a month. You become a member. Click that join button right next to that subscribe button, and you get access to all this. Hey, calm it down before I get back there. All right, I got to back to class, though. Hey, Scarlett, take care of that person. All right, let's go.
You don't have a passenger! Fucking dumbass bitch!
Are you serious? One of the rookies is on my bike? Okay, good. No, they're not, but you're here. So, guys, what we're doing here is giving away a Honda CBR 300R with ABS. We'll be announcing the winner at the beginning of October. We're going to ship it out to you. And on top of that, guys, if you enter, you're going to get my ebook for free, The Beginner's Guide to Motorcycle Riding. And then Tier 3, Tier 4, you get a sticker pack. Tier 4, you actually get a magnet with it. But, guys, join up. Enter to win. I can't wait to see who wins. But with that said, I got to get back and watch the last ones, right? All right, let's go. Let's go. Let me know in the comments which videos you like the best. I will do an after action review where I'll go into more detail about what happened and what you can do as a smart rider. But with that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Check the links in the description and click one of these videos and the subscribe thing up there somewhere. Hey, Matt, can you go ahead and start the music back up? It's perfectly fine now. Class is at, yeah, it's okay.